Hello, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today, I will tell you about my daily routine. Do you ever feel hard to talk about your day in English? Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. My day starts very early because I love the quiet peace of the sunrise. First, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. For many people, waking up is the hardest part, but I try to make it gentle. Wake up means that my eyes open and I am no longer sleeping. At this moment, the sun is a soft yellow and the sky is a beautiful light blue. I do not jump out of bed immediately. Instead, I stay in bed for 5 minutes to breathe and think about my day. Then, I get up at 6:15. It is important to know the difference. Get up means that I actually leave my bed and put my feet on the floor. After I get up, I walk slowly to the bathroom to take a warm shower. The water feels wonderful on my skin and helps me feel awake and fresh. I always brush my teeth and get dressed in comfortable clothes. Next, I go to the kitchen to start my favorite part of the morning. I make a healthy breakfast, usually consisting of 2 eggs and some toasted bread. The bread is fresh, and the coffee smells very strong and delicious. I sit by the window and watch the birds while I eat. Drinking my coffee slowly makes me feel happy and ready for the day. A good morning routine helps my mind stay calm for the many hours ahead. In the afternoon, my focus shifts to my work and my responsibilities. I leave my home at 8 o'clock to start my journey. I work in a very quiet and organized office from 9 o'clock until 5 o'clock. My job involves talking to many different people and writing important emails. I try to use simple and kind words when I speak with my coworkers because being polite makes the office a better place for everyone. The morning at work is usually very busy with many tasks to finish. At 12 o'clock, I stop everything to have lunch. I usually eat lunch with my friends at a small table. We talk about our lives and we laugh a lot. It is a very nice break for my brain. In the afternoon, I continue to work on my projects. Sometimes I have meetings. Meetings are special times when people sit together to talk about work and share new ideas. Even when my brain feels tired, I stay positive and keep working hard. By the time 5 o'clock arrives, I feel proud of what I have finished. I like my job because it gives me a sense of purpose and allows me to help others through my daily efforts. Stop! Let us take a short moment to look at a very special lesson. Many students get confused by 2 phrases, wake up and get up. They might seem the same, but they are actually different actions. Look at this closely. Wake up means that your eyes open. You are conscious and you are no longer in a dream. However, you might still be lying under your warm blankets. Get up is the next step. It means that you move your body out of the bed and stand up. Your feet are finally on the floor, and you are starting your physical movement for the day. To remember this easily, you can use my special 1-2-1 rule. First, say one simple sentence. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Next, say 2 short words to describe the action. Get up. Finally, say one more sentence to connect your thoughts. I am ready for the day. This simple trick helps your brain process the information without feeling stressed. Learning English should feel like a calm conversation, not a difficult test. When you understand these small differences, your speaking becomes much more natural. Remember, it is okay to take your time, Every small step you take makes you a better English speaker. Just keep it simple and stay confident in yourself. At 5 o'clock, my work is finally finished for the day. I feel a sense of relief as I go home. Sometimes, if the weather is nice, I take a long walk in the local park. The grass is very green, and the air feels cool and fresh against my face. Walking in nature helps me relax after a busy afternoon. To relax means to rest your body and to quiet your mind so you can feel peaceful again. I love watching the sunset because the colors in the sky are so warm and inviting. When I arrive home, I start to make dinner. I truly like to cook, especially pasta with fresh tomatoes. The kitchen smells wonderful while the food is cooking on the stove. After I finish eating my dinner, I move to the living room. I relax on my soft sofa and pick up a good book. I try to read for at least 1 hour every evening. Reading is a very peaceful activity that helps me travel to new places in my imagination. The house is very quiet, and the light from my warm lamp creates a cozy atmosphere. This time of the day is very important for my soul. It allows me to let go of any stress from work and prepare my heart for a restful night of sleep. As the day comes to an end, I begin my night routine to prepare for sleep. At night, I get ready for bed by doing simple things to calm my senses. I go back to the bathroom to brush my teeth one more time and wash my face with cool water. I put on my favorite soft pajamas and make sure the room is dark and quiet. Finally, I go to bed at 10:30. I am very careful not to stay up late because my body needs rest to stay healthy and strong. I climb into my bed and pull the blankets up to my chin. I do not look at my phone or watch television at this time. Instead, I might think about 3 things that made me happy during the day. This helps me have sweet dreams. My bedroom is a very safe and quiet place. I close my eyes and let my breath become slow and deep. Soon, I am fast asleep. Sleeping well is the best way to make sure that tomorrow will be another beautiful day. A consistent night routine is a gift that you give to yourself every single evening. It is the perfect way to say goodbye to the day and wait for the new morning to arrive. Now, it is time for us to practice together. Speaking out loud is the best way to train your mouth and your brain. We will use the shadowing method. I will say a sentence very slowly, and I want you to repeat it after me. Try to match my voice and my feeling. Are you ready? Let us begin our practice. First sentence. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Now, you say it. That was very good. Second sentence. I work in the afternoon. Your turn to repeat. Excellent. I can hear your confidence growing. Third sentence. I relax in the evening. Please repeat that now. Wonderful. You are doing a great job. Fourth sentence. I go to bed at 10:30. Say it one more time. You are doing so well. Practice makes perfect, and I am very proud of you for trying your best today. If you practice these 4 sentences every day, you will be able to talk about your routine very easily. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Every time you speak, you are becoming a better student. Let us continue to learn and grow together in this journey. That is my daily routine, from the early morning until the late night. I have a very simple life, but it is a very happy life because I appreciate the small things. I find joy in my morning coffee, my work, and my quiet evening reading. Now, I have a question for you because I want to learn about your life too. What is your favorite part of the day? Do you like the fresh feeling of the morning, the busy energy of the afternoon, or the quiet peace of the evening? Please tell me your answer in the comments below. I read every single comment, and it truly makes me happy to connect with you. Hearing your stories helps me feel like we are friends. Thank you so much for watching my video and for practicing your English with me today. You are doing a wonderful job, and I am so happy to be your teacher. Do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. I am sitting in my warm armchair now, feeling very grateful for this time together. Have a beautiful day, a peaceful evening, or a restful night. Goodbye for now, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.